One stock we've been talking about a lot on my channel is Palantir. And Palantir just announced a partnership, a deal with IBM. And this is a massive deal because Palantir currently, what this deal is going to do is this partnership will allow IBM to dramatically expand the reach of Palantir's Salesforce, while also making IBM's own artificial intelligence software easier to use for non-technical customers. The way the partnership works is that Palantir will gain access to a sales team of more than 2,500 people from IBM, which is so much larger than their current sales team, which is only 30 people. So if we're going from a 30-person sales team to a 2,500-person sales team, that's going to be massive. And in this deal, IBM is going to be essentially selling Palantir software to their customers. So IBM's existing customer base, they're going to be offering Palantir and their software to them. So what it says is reselling Palantir's software to augment the data and AI tools that IBM already offers and make them easier for people to use was a natural fit, according to IBM's senior vice president of software and data. So essentially they already have a product. IBM already has their own software, but they're going to leverage Palantir's technology, sell that to their customers, so then it can be easier for IBM's customers to use, and the more that they sell, the more money that Palantir makes. So this caused Palantir's stock price to jump about 10 to 15% in a single day. Palantir has been on a massive run lately. What I really like about this company is that, first of all, above everything else, ARK Invest is heavily invested in them. That shouldn't alone make you invest in it, but it's a good sign. The second thing is that they have a lot of government contracts. They've been working with large government organizations on secret projects. They work with the Navy, the Air Force, and governments all over the world. They also have been working with large corporations. They're expanding that part of their business as well. And recently, they had a demo day where they showed investors and customers and people how their software actually works, which is really important because Palantir had been a pretty secretive company before this, but now with this demo day, people understand it a bit more. Now they're having large government contracts, and this IBM deal was their largest deal that they have ever had. They said that this partnership is the largest of its kind for Palantir, but according to Palantir, they said that there's a lot more of these to come. They said this is the biggest partnership they've announced up until this point, but that people should expect more. And that's pretty exciting because Palantir has been on a lot of people's radars. It has a very high valuation, but it seems like they're going to continue to back up their valuation with larger and larger contracts and bigger partnerships. So it'll be exciting to see where Palantir goes. I think it could easily reach $100 per share over the next couple of years, and especially at the rate it's going with government contracts, partnerships with organizations, and just the way AI is going to be integrated into businesses in the future.